Dear viewers, you are all welcome to my lectures uploaded on my YouTube channel, for which the link will be updated to you in last slide of my lecture. But in this part 1 of pre-kickoff meeting, lecture is related to the construction project. First of all, I will request all of you, my reviewers, the respectable and valuable viewers, to please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel to as many as engineers, the architects, and as many as people in your contacts, for which I will be thankful to you. So briefly, we'll discuss about what is the pre-construction meeting, or pre-kickoff meeting is also it's called. A kickoff meeting is to start the construction project and to be held at construction project itself with all the stakeholders to be present, like the architects, first of all the clients or clients representatives, the architect, the project management companies, the contractors, and all the subcontractors if necessary. Why pre-cost meeting is important? A kickoff meeting or pre-construction meeting is necessary to ensure the project is completed satisfactorily with time, cost, and quality, and up to the satisfaction of the client. Project overview, risk and safety, timeline and milestone, budget clarity, chain command means the communication, how to do the communications. All these things will be discussed in this slide. So this is the part 1 of my lecture related to the kickoff meeting for the construction project. I assure you that maybe today, tomorrow, or very soon I will upload next slide, because I don't want to bother the viewers for a long time. Although I am talking too much, maybe, but I apologize for that. I want to clear and elaborate everything. So please go through my slides, and there are 5 slides in this section, and next 4 or 5 slides will be in next section. So I request you once again to please go through all my slides, and I request once again to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as engineers in your contact, for which I will be thankful to you. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, the project management company, the client representatives, and the architects, I am going to discuss in slide number 2 about how to make sure the attendance of concerned stakeholders and their tasks and their part of duties. All the key stakeholders to attend the kickoff meeting, as I discussed in previous slide also, but in this slide we will discuss a little bit more about the part of the architects, the project management companies, the engineers means the consultants, and the contractors are all over and above the representative of the client. So we will go one by one, but the project management manager and the contractors, they are the several other key stakeholders. They should attend pre-construction meeting to ensure smooth communication, successful project execution, and the project should be completed in stipulated timeline. So number 1, architect and designers. They provide valuable input regarding the design material and potentials. issues that may arise during the constructions. Mean the architects have to prepare the drawings and the specifications and the BOQ, bill of quantity, and all the documents the architects have to prepare. The project management team or the role of the project management team in kickoff meeting is to set clear expectations of the client of the project. Their issue is that they must arise all the issues during the kickoff meeting, so that everyone should be acquainted and should know what is going to happen in project. Number third is engineers, yani structural engineers, civil engineers, MEP engineers means the consultants. These engineers are crucial in discussing technical aspects of the project, like the HVAC, the plumbing, the electrical, and all the technical issues and all the services. Number four is main task is of the contractor who is being awarded the project to submit the master schedule and has to be strict on that master schedule, and it to be strict on the budgetary involvement, and he has to complete the project in full satisfaction of the client with full quality control, safety, and all that. So the owner and the client's representative, if they are attending, they have to attend the meeting. The owner of the or their representative is often involved to ensure their expectations are clear and to address any concern regarding the budget, schedule, and or scope of work. So all these things are the roles of the clients. Also, the client expect that their project should be completed in time and with best quality. So these issues are to be discussed in kickoff meeting. I hope that I could clarify a few items regarding attendance of the stakeholders. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. And I again, in every slide thing, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share my channel, YouTube channel, to the engineers, the architects, and all other stakeholders and your contact. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, the engineers, the architectural companies, the project management companies, and the contractors' representatives, I would like to discuss with you slide number 3, in which we will discuss about the agenda of kickoff meeting. What is the agenda? Agenda is that the points to be covered to discuss in kickoff meeting, that is first meeting, which is to be held at construction project. I mean, not in any other office. It should be held at, it should be attended and arranged at the construction site, so that everyone should be acquainted about the construction project site and the nature of the project and the nature of land and nature of the environment there and all that. So in agenda of kickoff meeting, it is crucial to the first step is to align all the stakeholders, the teams, setting expectations and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Outline of the agenda and key points to be included are: number 1, introduction. First of all, we have to introduce, this is the duty of the project management company or some other stakeholders means the architects also can do, the project management can all do it, this task. So all the stakeholders to be introduced to each other, and then the meeting to be started. First of all is review of structure. All the stakeholders to inspect the site and see, as I discussed earlier, that they must see what type of the site is there, the surroundings is there, and how the methodology to be adopted for the construction of the project. In this way, the structural engineer is to be present in that kickoff meeting. Site over, we discussed the project location, site condition, and the challenges, including the weather conditions in different periods of the year, or the period of the construction of the project. A visit is also necessary for the project site, so that they should be visualize and see what is the nature of the site. Site access and the logistics. Review access points so that easily the material can be dumped and the debris to be removed. Delivery zone to be made. All the site should be clean from the bushes and all that. That is to be when the work starts, but we have to see earlier what type of nature of soil is, what type of nature of ground is having that project site. Then project plan, go over the project design, means the RCC design and architectural design and the timeline. Then specifications, bill of quantities, conditions of contract, all these things are to be discussed, so that everything should be to be clear to each and every stakeholder, and must be aware about all the conditions and terms and conditions of the contract. Thank you. Dear viewers, as I discussed in slide number 3, we will continue in slide number 4 about the agenda of the meeting. Selection of changes guideline is very important, In agenda of meeting, we have to point out this point, and we have to keep this point importantly. Material selection. Discuss the procedure for choosing the material, the best material as per the specifications, as per the BOQ, and as per the drawings. The vendors must understand that what material and what type of material is to be selected. This type of the slot is to understand about it. Change management. What is the change management? Explain how change orders are to be raised. If there are any changes during the construction period of the project, the change order is to be raised, and it should be got signed off by the concerned authorities who are making changes to the project, including the client, the architect, or any consultant or the engineer. Adjustments are to be made, and revision will be handled smoothly, so that there should not be any financial crisis during and after the completion of the project. Policies and procedures. Actually, what is in my PowerPoint slide, I am talking other than that, and elaborating and highlighting in detail few items which are not included in my slides. So safety procedures. Ensure that everyone is familiar with the safety protocols. I mean, all the stakeholders, including the main contractors, the subcontractors, the client's representatives, the site supervisors, the site team, everyone has to follow the safety protocols, and they must keep safe the entire site, and with the health also. Communication channels. This is set expectations for project updates, meetings, and reportings. Actually, the successful project is that where we are arranging the monthly meeting, the fortnightly meeting, weekly meetings, and on daily basis we meetings also amongst the staff available at site, so that each and every item and regarding the quality, regarding the timeline can be discussed in those meetings. Now, these are important issues which are to be kept in agenda of meeting, and I hope that if there is any item is left over, you will definitely highlight. I request all the stakeholders, all the viewers, all the engineers, all the architects, to please raise the questions about this presentation and my lecture, so that I can improve it much better and better for you. My wish is that if I am getting your feedback, it will be helpful for me, and it will be very much supporting from your end. Thank you very, very much. Dear viewers, I am thankful to you, and my gratitude to all the viewers who went through my this lecture also. I have been uploading my lectures on my YouTube channel, for which the link is in bottom of this slide. I request all of the viewers to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as contact in your network, also to the engineers and architects, the contractors, the clients, and everyone. So whoever is in your contact, please share my channel to all of them. And once again, I request you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to everyone. This presentation of my lecture is in parts. First part is here. The next part will be published very soon, inshallah. So I'm thankful to you to go through my lecture and listen to me and went through my slides. Especially my slides are different from my audios. So I hope that you will not mind it, and you will go through all my lectures, and will subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to as many as engineers, the architects, the contractors, the clients, and as many as people in your contact. Thank you very much.